Sheldon, you're gonna hit somebody. Oh, little man. Where are you going?
I want to go to 141.
Where are you going to take 141 to?
Pump it up.
You're going to pump it up by yourself?
But how do I find 141?
Well, it should be near I-95, right?
I can't find it. Mom, can you find it?
Well, Winston, it should be somewhere. Sheldon, you're gonna break your toys. Oh my God. Up.
He might get all legs all over.
You cleaning your hands? You getting all that cake off that you had today? The cake you had today? Did your teacher give you cake? Are you wiping the chocolate cake?
Okay.
Your hands? Clean them. Good job, Shell.
Mom, can I put 141 on here?
What? Sheldon, do you want to get down, sweetheart? Can you get down? Want to get down for Mommy?
No.
Well, we don't need to grab a wipe before getting down.